This video is for anyone looking to make a lot of money in Dubai through digital marketing. You'll learn what skills you need, what the job market looks like, and how much you can expect to make. So if you're ready to take your career to the next level, watch this video till the end. Digital marketing job scope in Dubai. The digital marketing landscape is always changing, which is why it's a great field to be working in. If you're looking for a job in the digital marketing field, Dubai is a great place to start your search. There are plenty of digital marketing job opportunities in Dubai, and the job scope for these positions can vary widely. If you're interested in working as a digital marketer, you could be doing anything from social media marketing to search engine optimization, SEO. No matter what your specific skill set may be, there's a good chance that you'll be able to find a digital marketing job in Dubai that matches your interests and abilities. And thanks to the city's booming economy, you can expect to earn a competitive salary while working in this exciting and ever-changing industry. How to find digital marketing job in Dubai? Are you looking for a digital marketing job in Dubai? If so, you're in luck. There are plenty of opportunities in the city for those with the right skills and experience. But how do you find these jobs? And how do you make sure you're a good fit for them? Here are a few tips to help you get started. Start by doing your research. Know what companies are hiring, and what skills they're looking for. This will help you target your job search, and ensure that your resume and cover letter are tailored to the specific role you're applying for. 2. Use job boards and classifieds websites to find open positions. There are plenty of these online, and they're a great way to see a variety of jobs all in one place. 3. Network with people in the industry. You can find networking events on websites like Meetup and Eventbrite. You can also join groups on social media platforms like LinkedIn and Facebook. Digital marketing job salary in Dubai. Dubai is a city in the United Arab Emirates known for its luxury lifestyle and towering skyscrapers. It's also known as a global center for business, with a thriving digital marketing industry. If you're looking for a high-paying digital marketing job, Dubai is a great place to be. Digital marketing is a fast-growing industry, and as a result, many companies are looking for skilled professionals to help them grow their businesses. The average salary for a digital marketer in Dubai is around $80,000 per year, and many jobs offer benefits such as healthcare and housing allowances. This makes digital marketing an extremely lucrative career choice for those who live in or are looking to move to Dubai. How to apply digital marketing job in Dubai? The job market for digital marketing professionals is booming in Dubai. If you are looking for a career in this field, there are a few things you need to do to increase your chances of getting a job in Dubai. First, it is important to have a strong portfolio showcasing your skills and experience. You can create a portfolio website or upload your work to online platforms such as LinkedIn or Behance. And some other job search engine can be a great help too. Second, make sure you are familiar with the latest digital marketing trends and techniques. There are many online courses and tutorials available that can help you stay up to date with the latest trends. Finally, network with other professionals in the industry, and attend industry events. This will help you build relationships with potential employers and learn about new opportunities. In today's world, it's important to have a strong online presence. If you're looking to venture into the world of digital marketing, then subscribing to our channel is the best way to get started.